is Borgie,
Good afternoon po. Bulacan po.
Bulacan. Rainier, Rainier. Okay, hindi tayo ata na Rainier, are you still here? Hello, Rainier. Okay, mamaya tawagin natin siya ulit. Okay, Rafael,
Cavite po.
Cavite.
From
Ezekiel,
Aklan po.
Aklan. Si Rainier, naglalag si Rainier, mamaya na lang siya. Daryl,
Metro Manila
Daryl.
po.
Okay. Okay, since may absent man sa atin but that's okay. So, let's begin our day with classroom rules. So, lagi ko naman tong sinasabi sa inyo na dapat ganito ang ating ginagawa tuwing nasa klase. Una ay mahalaga na i-respect natin yung everyone. Since we are in a virtual room, it's mahalaga na meron tayong proper communication at hindi natin, at mas magiging polite tayo sa ating mga kaklase. Okay ba yon? Number 2 is listen attentively. So, makinig tayong medyo hapon na. Makinig po tayong lahat and observe proper etiquette. Kapag may nagsasalita sa harap, please off your mic and wag mo para maiwasan na rin yung distraction. Okay? So, since you're guys, I think you're already ready. So let's have a short activity. If that's what we're gonna do is you will guess the region. If you will guess the region, I will present you pictures and you will guess if Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. Do you understand? Can you send me a heart react? Okay. Okay. So, the first picture. So, lagay niyo lang siya sa chat box yung answers niyo. Okay. The first picture. Okay. I'm expecting answer. Student, please open your cam. Everyone, I encourage you to open your all cam. Okay. First picture. So, palagay sa comment box if Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. Just guess. Luzon. Okay. So, nakita ko yung sagot ni Phil. Bakit naman Luzon? What are the details in the pictures that guess you that it's from Luzon? Yes, Phil?
Yung mga ano po kasi yung mga statues na ganyan, parang familiar siya sa nakikita ko sa mga museums here, kaya inakala kong Luzon.
Okay, that's correct. It's from Luzon. Ay, wait. Sorry. Sorry, guys. Sorry, class. If you see the pictures, okay, it's from Luzon. So that's correct. It's from Luzon. And are familiar kayo dito? This is Buol. Ay, Bulul. This is Bulul. It's from Ifugao. Okay, next picture. Kunwari hindi natin nakita yun na. So, lagay kayo. Saan naman nanggaling ang picture number 2? Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao? Class, send your answers na. Mindanao. Dahil nakita niyo na yung pictures na galing siyang Mindanao, tatawagin ko si Borgie. Bakit mo nasabing galing siyang Mindanao? Like, what are the details in the picture that guess you that is from Mindanao? Yes, Borgie?
Ano, wala akong particular idea, pero kasi pag nakikita ko yung mga interview sa mga indigenous people sa Mindanao, yan yung texture or yung patterns ng dapat nila. So yung pattern na nagamit nila.
Oh, that's correct. It's from Mindanao. This is Peace Saibit. Ginagamit din to sa, ito ay galing Mindanao, guys. So, last picture. So, last picture. Please guess if Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. Wala pa ako nakikitang answer. Just guess, Luzon, Visayas, or Mindanao. Okay, Visayas. Nakikita ko na yung, Rafael from Visayas daw. Visayas din. Anyone, please send your answers na. Yes. Ezekiel, bakit mo naman nasabing it's from Luzon? Ano yung details na napansin mo na, this is from Luzon?
I think po, kasi nag-travel ako sa Luzon, sa La Union specifically po. And nakita po yung gaano sila maggawa ng, parang itong specific textile for some reason po. So, that's why yung guess ko po, Luzon po.
Okay. Let's check if correct po si Ezekiel, okay? It's from Visayas. This is Piña from Abaca. There's weaving in Luzon and Visayas are sometimes it's all look the same. So we get confused in that, okay? So kamusta naman kayo? Okay pa ba kayo? So bago tayo mag-proceed, send nga kayo ng heart react if okay pa kayo, if ready pa kayo makinig. Okay, ready pa sila makinig. So let's proceed from the next. I will since lahat naman kayo ay nag-react ng heart, papanoorin ko na lang muna kayo ng video. If this disclaimer, this is a video that created from different videographer and from YouTube. So para mabuo lang yung pinaka-distinct traditional art sa ating Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. So you guys ready? Sabihan niyo sa teacher if hindi naririnig, okay? So let's start.
Philippines is home to a diverse and rich artistic heritage, with each region showcasing its unique cultural identity through traditional art. From the intricate weaving patterns of the Cordilleras in Luzon, the vibrant Hablon of the Visayas, to the majestic Okir designs of Mindanao, every artistic tradition carries deep meanings and historical significance. These art forms are not just decorations. They tell stories of our ancestors, their way of life, beliefs, and values. Each piece of art, whether it be textiles, pottery, wood carvings, or paintings, reflects the creativity and resilience of the Filipino people. These traditions have been passed down through generations, shaping our national identity and reminding us of our roots. By understanding and appreciating these cultural treasures, we ensure that they continue to thrive and inspire future generations.
So, okay naman siya sa end nyo? Or track nga if okay siya sa end nyo, if naintindihan niyo yung video? Heart track, okay, naiintindihan naman. So, I will send you the link na kung saan may sasagutan kayong short activity. And habang sinasagutan niyo yung short activity, ipi-play ko ulit yung video para mabalikan niyo siya ulit. So, wait. So, wait. So, kung kaya niyong i-scan niyo lang tong QR code. Anyone. So, pwede niyong scan yung QR code and mapupunta kayo sa Padlet. Wait, I will also send the link in the chat box. Nasa Padlet na kayo, guys. Wait, I will send the link. Nakita niyo na? Everyone. Heart track nga if nakita na yung Padlet. Okay? Nakita na ni Ezekiel, ni Borgie, si Phil, okay? Okay na ba? So, I will play again the video. So, pwede nyo siyang balikan ulit. At kapag may, sa unang tanong, pwede nyo i-describe lang kung hindi nyo pa kilala yung mismong arts. Like, describe nyo lang yung mismong arts na yun. And ma'am, and that's okay lang. So, okay, I will play again the video. So you only have 2 minutes to answer and finalize your answer, okay?
Philippines is home to a diverse and rich artistic heritage, with each region showcasing its unique cultural identity through traditional arts. From the intricate weaving patterns of the Cordilleras in Luzon, the vibrant Hablon of the Visayas, to the majestic Okir designs of Mindanao, every artistic tradition carries deep meanings and historical significance. These art forms are not just decorations. They tell stories of our ancestors, their way of life, beliefs, and values. Each piece of art, whether it be textiles, pottery, wood carvings, or paintings, reflects the creativity and resilience of the Filipino people. These traditions have been passed down through generations, shaping our national identity and reminding us of our roots. By understanding and appreciating these cultural treasures, we ensure that they continue to thrive and inspire future generations.
So guys, okay, final na ba ang answers nyo? So you can send it again. Send nyo na lang sa, just send nyo na lang kapag done na kayo. Hey, Luzon. So I will give you another 1 minute to finish your answer since hindi pa nakakapag-send ang iba. Thirty seconds. Okay? So, okay? Lahat naman nakapagsagot na. So, nabasa ko dito. First is kay Rainier. In Luzon, Betis, Pampanga, the wood carving like shown in the video with bracket style passed down through generation. So, since passed down through generation, Rainier, in what ways do traditional arts help preserve our cultural identity as a Filipino?
Since yung art po kasi is nag-e-exist at physically na kasi yung tao hindi mo siya mapapass down yung kung ano yung meron siya. Pero kung yung creation na ginawa niya physically, mag-e-exist pa rin kahit through generations. Kaya yung art is integral factor siya ng pagpe-preserve ng identity, culture, such as abstract concepts.
That's correct. Napapasa siya sa generations natin. And nakita ko rin dito the form of art stood out the most for me to three regions: textile and pottery and painting. So Ezekiel, for you, in what ways that we can still preserve this textile created in pottery and paintings?
I think so po yung how to preserve is yung really yung museums talaga po. As like yung mga National Museum, they have yung mga certain kinds of people, I would say, or mga archaeologists that will try to preserve this, and also yung promotion to show no these things exist sa past. So, yung promotion of museums, that's a way to preserve and also to share yung past generation or yung things of the past generation to the future generation, yung mga arts that we have. Yun lang po.
Yeah, the arts what we have. So um we're already learned that in many ways we can preserve those cultural arts that can bring our cultural identity as a Filipino. So my next question here is, what Filipino traditional arts are still practiced today? So the first um feel some Filipino traditional such as weaving fabrics with unique patterns show the beauty of uniqueness of their culture. So feel. So until now ba, nakikita mo, saan mo siyang nakikita madalas na practices yung gantong mga arts?
Good afternoon po. Nakikita ko yung mga traditional weaving of fabric po here in Luzon, such as yung mga popular tourist spots. Pinapakita nila yung kagandahan and yung culture ng mismong pag
Talaga. So kanina, so narinig ko yung sagot ni Phil na hindi ko naintindihan yung dulo, pero ito pa rin ay patuloy pa rin na nagagamit or nakikita natin sa iba't ibang lugar. So kanina sinabi ni Rainier na napapasa to through generation, generation to generation. And sinabi rin kanina ni Ezekiel na nakikita rin to sa museum na continue pa rin tayong napapractice yung pagbisita natin sa museum. So, learning those preserving cultures, na pinapreserve natin yung cultures, and what are the challenges make it difficult to continue practicing what are the challenges make it difficult to preserve those traditional arts that we have in the Philippines? Anyone? Or I will call someone. Yes, Borgie. Since walang nag-volunteer, magtatawag na lang ako. Borgie, what are the challenges make it difficult to continue preserving our cultural heritage?
Sa panahon kasi ngayon, 'di ba, ang panahon natin is very fast-paced. So, basically kaya din natin nape-preserve yung mga ibang culture natin is because nai-influence tayo ng ng ibang cultures ng ibang bansa. So, especially in the Western, so na-adapt natin yung mga nai-influence nila. And then sometimes we infuse it with our culture and some dine-decline. So, kaya mahirap kaya ayun, mahirap.
Yes, that's correct. Mas na-adapt natin yung ibang culture ng ibang bansa. So in our in today what are the challenges that we have na to preserve those cultures, since today is today um to- um today in our generation right now, what are the challenges make it difficult to continue preserving those cultures?